No. Let's just take a minute and take in this coverage. I'll wait.
Why you gotta be so indecisive? Why you gotta be, yeah. I just wanna stop all the fighting. And you don't know what you want. And you don't know what you're fighting for. And baby, you're the one, the only one that
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are back again with another review. So if you guys haven't seen or heard or even watched this new KVD Beauty Good Apple Skin Perfecting Foundation Balm, so it looks like this. So yeah, I'm basically going to give you guys a review on this today. I'm going to try and do maybe a 6-hour wear test just to kind of see how it works out throughout the day. Okay, so basically let me give you guys the claims of this foundation and what it claims to be. So it says it's a buildable, full coverage, hydrating foundation balm with a lightweight, long wear formula and a fresh matte finish. So just reading it is a bit confusing because I don't get how it can say it's hydrating but it has a fresh matte finish. How can it do both? So we're going to test that out today. So it says it's infused with apple extract to nourish the skin. So it says that good apple minimizes the appearances of pores and gives a skin a smooth, healthy look. So apparently it's non-cakey, flashback free, foundation quickly covers blemishes and discoloration for instant confidence boost. Basically it. So that's the claims and stuff. So we're going to test that out today and see how it wears and stuff like that. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So I got the shade Tan 78. I just kind of shade match myself online like I always do, and yeah, we'll see if it matches. I hope it does. So they did have quite a few shades, I can say. So this is what it looks like out of the box. Literally a simple packaging, recyclable, a clear acrylic, and on the back it says good apple, and yeah, it just says the colour and stuff. So I've never really seen a packaging like this, so this is kind of cute. So this is the shade I got, Tan 78. Bear in mind, I haven't tried it at all. I haven't even opened it. I've had this for like a week plus maybe since I bought it, and I just hadn't had the chance to record this video. Okay, so let's go ahead and swatch it. Okay, no. First I'm gonna prime my face because I already know, I could just tell this is going to be oily, and I've heard that it's not really the best for oily skin. So I'm just going to prepare myself in the best way possible so I can, get the best out of the foundation. And I'm going to prime my face with a mattifying primer. The matte primer I'm going in with is Pure Canvas Primer, the blurring primer. So this instantly mattifies my face, so I'm going to go in with this today. And I actually really like the primer. It really makes my foundation and my makeup stay on long. Okay, so my face has instantly mattified. If you guys can tell, I'm not sure. So now it's time to try the foundation. So I'm just going to go in with a brush I always use, which is the Raw Techniques brush. Just drag it in there. I'm so scared because this is what people have been doing, right? Just pull it in there, and then I'm gonna literally just I'm scared again. Just drag it in my face. Oh, right. Okay, wait. I need to take it in. Hold on. Okay. So I'm just gonna keep going in with it and just taking it everywhere. Oh my god. It has a smell though, I don't know what that smell is. I don't really know how to describe it, but It definitely has a smell. Okay guys, this is really giving full coverage. The coverage on this is absolutely insane. Like, what? Like, I actually can't believe this. And to think that it's an actual foundation balm, so, and I feel like this foundation match is literally on point as well. Like, I feel like this is one of the best foundation matches I've ever done. Guys, look. Okay, wait, let me just keep blending. Oh my god, no, like, this is actually like full coverage. Like, I'm gonna do like half of my face so you guys can like see. No way. So like this, I would say this applies just like my foundation stick, so it's kind of got like the same formula, but I would say this is a really creamy formula. Like, it's not hard to blend out, like it's so easy. No guys, I'm actually shook. Are you actually, what? Oh no. Okay, right, let's keep going. Ooh, like it's even on my forehead, like I didn't put a lot, but because of the coverage, it's a lot. Like, I'm gonna try and sheer it out on my forehead. So I can tell you right now off the bat, this is not matte fun. This is not matte. This is, that matte needs to be removed. Like, this is not matte at all. Like, and the thing is that I used a matte primer just to make sure it's not as oily. This is what half my face looks like. This side has the foundation and this side has absolutely nothing. So you guys, listen, so I need to clap for myself. Like, this foundation match is literally perfect. It's like perfect. No, let's just take a minute and take in this coverage. I'll wait. Okay, so this is what my face looks like. I've got foundation all over. If you guys like a full coverage beat, this is it. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna come back with the finished look and see how it looks with, you know, your whole face together. Then okay guys, so I'm back now and I've finished my face, and this is the end look. This is the finished look. This is what the foundation face looks like with the foundation on, and then I just did my usual routine just to top it off. My face looks beat. Like, I feel like my face looks beat all the time, but this time it looks beat, like with a capital B. Like, not even capital B, all capitals, beat. Yeah. But it's given full coverage. Like, it's actually given full coverage. So that's literally all I can. I feel like, yeah, like right now my face doesn't look too oily. Like, it looks like reasonably matte. So I'm holding the mirror in my hand. But yeah, I'm gonna give it a couple more hours just to see how my oils come in. And today's really sunny. First impressions, I like this foundation. I feel like it was a perfect match for me, especially since I didn't like go in store to get it. Like, I literally just picked a shade from the website. It has got full coverage. Yep, that is 100% correct. It is hydrating for sure, but I wouldn't say it's matte. That's what I wouldn't, it's not matte. Like, if I was to rate it out of 10, I would actually give it like a 9. Like, I don't, like, yeah, I don't want to gas up this foundation. I don't want to be someone to gas up, like you've seen, but like, off like right now how it applied, like how it looked to my skin, like the finished look now, like I actually really like it. So but yeah, like I really like it. I'm gonna see how it wears throughout the day because I do have oily skin, so like I would want a foundation that like doesn't get too oily, but we'll see about that. But yeah, so yeah, my first impressions are pretty good. And would I advise you to buy this product? Maybe. Yeah. My mouth is already creasing and we're not even hours into my makeup. Like, hey guys, so I'm back now. It's been like 5 hours since you guys last saw me, and this is what my face looks like. I'm not gonna lie, but my face actually looks a lot better than I thought it was gonna look. So I kind of thought like I was literally just going to be a whole grease ball and just look a lot oilier than like I usually would. But I feel like I look pretty good. I look pretty like dewy and like, you know, but I don't look too oily. Like, bear in mind, I haven't touched up my face once in this 5 hours, so I'm actually pretty impressed with this. I only have like shine in my usual areas, which is like, you know, my cheeks here, my nose, maybe a little bit my forehead, but that's basically all. And I feel like it looks worse on camera. In real life, it doesn't even look that oily. Like, it just looks like I've got like a nice glow to my skin, which isn't like bad at all. Yeah, so I'm actually really impressed with this foundation. I also definitely do think it is due to, I did use a mattifying primer, so obviously it just helped to kind of like control my oils and stuff. But honestly, like, I feel like if you do have oily skin, like, you could still get away with this foundation. You just gotta like prep your skin in the best way for your skin. So, and I feel like I did that for myself today. So, and I've eaten, I've drank water, I've done a lot of things, and like my face is still sitting like, and my okay, I do have a crease here, but I feel like I've had this crease since I did apply the makeup. Like, yeah, so now I'm literally just gonna show you how I would normally do a touch up throughout the day. If I do get oily, I would literally just get my brush where I used powder on earlier. I wouldn't add any more product. I would literally just dab where I think it's, you know, oily, and just like that. Can you guys see that it's literally disappears? I feel like even if it does provide this shine throughout the day, it's not that bad, and literally with just a tap of the brush it would disappear. Yeah, I'm just gonna mattify the rest of my face quickly just with this brush, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so I kind of just tap everywhere, here, and just literally it. That's all I would do, and my face is literally instantly matte again. So let's just do a little rundown on this foundation, and I'm gonna let you guys know what I've kind of noticed and what I like and what I don't like. So basically, I generally do like this foundation. Like, I feel like this would be a foundation I would wear. It is definitely lightweight. Like, for the coverage of the foundation, you would think it's going to be like thick and heavy in your skin, but I generally can't feel anything on my face, and I don't really like feeling like I have makeup on, especially if I'm just walking around and just doing things. I just hate that. Like, I want to be able to be comfortable and like not feel like there's something on my face, and I didn't feel like that at all today. It does give you like a nice smooth finish when you apply it and stuff, and my face does look pretty smooth and stuff. But yeah, apart from what I don't really like is, I don't really like how they said it was matte while they said it was hydrating. That doesn't really make sense, but in my opinion it was just hydrating. It wasn't matte at all, but that's fine. I really like this foundation. I feel like it's literally perfect. Like, I actually like it. Like, it's absolutely amazing. It blended out so easy. The coverage was absolutely amazing. The shade match for me was great. It was pretty spot on, I can't lie. So it definitely lives up to its hype, I would say. So yeah, but I would definitely recommend this foundation, and I feel like I would be using this quite often. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.